Today what I want to show you is if you have multiple parts that are real similar, has a lot of the similar features, but the shape's a little bit different. Like this, I've got two parts here for an example. I've got this part that I've already programmed, and then I've got another part that looks similar but is not quite the same. The outer shape is the same and the thickness is the same, but the pockets and holes maybe a little bit different. What you can do is once you get one programmed, you can take these operations, and it'll bring the tools with them, back into and open them up and bring them into this part, and then all you have to do is go through and rechain everything and repick geometry to make those operations for the part you've already programmed work for this one. And since I'm using the educational edition for this, you can't do it how I was initially wanting to show you how to do it, because normally what you would do is just take in the part you've programmed, what you do is right click on these operations and you go down to export, but you can see that the export is basically blanked out. I can't use that. But what I did find, I didn't realize you could do this, so I kind of learned something myself today. Once you go into your new part, let's go ahead and start our machine. And I'm going to go ahead and do a stock setup on this. One I want. I'm not going to display it. Back to my point, here's what you want to do. Now we've got our machine definition and all that stuff loaded in our toolpath group. What we're going to do, now we can import, so we're going to right click and import. And I'm going to go hunt and find that file. So if you change the file type to a Mastercam file or the educational, this is the file I've got open in the other window. If you come down, you'll see it has all the operations that I used to machine that part. Hit apply, and it'll bring them in. So now all you got to do it so in the job setup stock boundary, I should just be able to regenerate that one. Yeah, it works. And then you just go through and repick all your chains for that's typical, but you get the idea. I think it's probably because I had two of them open that it was doing that. So all right, well, you get the idea. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.